FedEx package from Better Length Hair. I got the Kinky curly clip-in set of 3B3C hair in 14 inches. I am super excited. Hi guys, so here is my Better Length clip-ins, the bag that it came in. I will show you this in a second. A beautiful little satin drawstring bag. And these are the products I'm going to be using on my hair that I currently use on my hair, but I will be using with the clip-ins so that it can blend in perfectly. And so to basically go through these products really quickly, this is my leave-in. I got this from TJ Maxx, coconut whipped cream. It is an amazing leave-in. This is the current, excuse me, mousse that I'm using. An amazing mousse for curly hair because it leaves your hair so soft and moisturized. It does not make your hair hard. This is the shampoo and conditioner I'm currently using on my hair. It's the Curl Care line, and it's the coconut milk and organic honey. And I think you can get this from most of your beauty supply stores, and they're like $5.99 each. You must use some form of oil in your hair as well to keep your curls moisturized, and this is what I'm currently using. By Nature's Spirit, the coconut oil, and it was $2.99 from my beauty supply store. I'm very new to this gel. I see a lot of curly girls wearing or using this to define their curls. I typically use Eco Styler gel, but I thought I would try this out and see how I like it. So I'm excited to see how that works out. I love this brush. This is basically like your dimming brush. It is by the line Beautique. I got it from my local Sally's. It was about, I think, maybe 10 bucks. So I'm excited, guys. I'll show you the hair and I will show you exactly how it turned out. I'm not going to show you exactly how I do it, but I'm showing you these products just so that you can see the end result. This is the bag the hair comes in. The hair is actually really, really beautiful. It does have a smell to it, so you want to make sure that you follow the directions that they put in the bag. And this is what it comes with. So we get that. And you get this here that comes with your instructions. Step 1 through 5. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like before being washed. I will wash and condition it while it is still attached to the string. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like in its wet form. I had to do it like really, really fast this morning. Look at my gray hair. But it matches my curl pattern very well, as you can see. But one thing I can say about this hair is that it definitely, it's not easy. My hair is soft, so the clips were literally sliding out of my hair as I was trying to put them in and then put the product in it and all that stuff. So this is what it looks like wet. We'll see. Okay guys, so I was going to put on some makeup to show or do the whole reveal, but I don't feel like doing it. But I just wanted to come and show what it looks like once it's a lot more dry. It's definitely fuller. I like it so much better. Oh my gosh. And you can kind of see how it really, really blends in with my curl pattern with ease. I did pin this part back so, you know, it would look more realistic. But yeah, I absolutely love it. What I had to do was kind of just finger comb through the curls a little bit so that, please excuse my loud TV in the background. I had to finger comb through the curls so that it would fluff up a little bit more. But I like this because it looks very, very natural. And the roots are still somewhat wet, but which means that it probably will, you know, poof up maybe even a little bit more. But like this little piece here is mine. Try and hide that in there. But yeah, please excuse my messy background. So this is the end result, guys. Hope you like it. Okay, so I did put on some makeup and I just wanted to see how I felt after just putting on a little bit of makeup and just wanted to see, you know, how it all came together. But I wanted to give my final thoughts about the hair. So for the most part, I would say it's about 90% dry. Of course, the roots are still just slightly damp. But I don't know if you can see the back, but the back still looks very natural. And the only thing I was wondering about the hair was, I can't say that I was expecting for this to give me that hot girl summer look. But then again, I was. I think that I've seen some other tutorials of other people. They had longer clips. And when they put theirs in, it was so much fuller. And I don't know if maybe it's because of the way that they installed them. My hair is a little bit more thin at the top, but I do have the tracks kind of stacked right here in the front to give me more volume. But I did want there to be more like a oomph. I don't know whether or not they had more than one bundle. This is one bundle. I showed you the wefts, and this is still a lot of hair for one bundle and for the fullness that you're getting. So I must say that I was very satisfied because I was a little concerned when I saw how thin it looked when it was still wet. But now that it's dried, it gives me that natural look that I wanted. What I ultimately wanted was something that was going to look natural, something that was going to be easy for me to do when it's raining, when it gets hot outside, and I don't want to have a wig on and all that stuff while I'm in that in-between stage. So this is an amazing protective style to do if you have, you know, curly hair. Now, as you saw, mine is a 3B3C curl pattern. And so if your curl pattern is tighter, then you would just, you know, look at the charts to show you, you would probably be like a 4A, 4B or a 4B, 4C and so on. I absolutely just love the way the curls match my curl pattern ultimately. The only other thing is it does shed. So if I run my fingers through it, I do get, you know, some hair. So I have heard that on the other reviews that it does shed. I'm just wondering and hoping that it doesn't do this every time I wash it or every time, you know, I kind of fluff my hands through it. It's not crazy shedding, but I do know that curly hair sheds. So we'll see. This is something that I would expect to have for approximately at least a year and be able to wear it and maintain it. Now, what I might do by the summer is maybe purchase more, like go up in the length and get maybe a bundle of 16, which will give me length, and then I can move this up higher so that I can get that fullness that I wanted. But If you would ask me whether or not I would buy these again based on the first time, absolutely. I'm gonna play with it and determine the best way to put them in and just try different, you know, styles. I'll have some up and some down. I'll just play with it. They're definitely worth it. I'll put the link in the description box so that you can order yours, and you can, it's only $169 for the bundle, and it is virgin hair. So, all right guys, see you in my next video.